Alright, I got the 13.3-inch MacBook Pro that was just released, and I am opening it.
Does it have like a little thing at the bottom? Yeah.
Well, here's a view of it.
Side view.
Well, I can't open it.
It's always good to pull off that plastic. That's what I like to do. What if they sent you like an old one?
Shit my pants.
Me too.
Alright, so we're taking off the top. Bam!
Yeah.
There it is.
A new 2013 MacBook.
Now let's take it out of here.
Does it feel juicy?
It's juicy, alright. It is skinnier than the previous version, too. It's a lot lighter.
You gonna go over what's in the box? Or
in the box, we have the power cable, the charging cord, and the manual.
It's always good. Did you get stickers? Probably.
Probably stickers in here too. But for now, I'm gonna take the wrapping off of this. And I'll open this up.
Looks pretty nice.
Nice and clean with that Retina display.
Nice and crispy.